Reductivist is a Brooklyn-based company that creates simple, problem-solving products like the Ringtool. It's basically a way to keep a toolbox on your keychain. Originally, it was made for bikes, but the company's founder, Jonathan Sabutis, realized you don't need to share his fixed gear fixation to get plenty of use out of it. He ended up basing his company on this invention.
Ringtool was designed to provide maximum functionality in an ultra-compact form factor. Originally designed as an emergency bike tool, myself and others have found it to be useful in a variety of contexts. It's great at adjusting snowboard bindings, opening boxes, hanging pictures on the wall. Ringtool was made as locally as possible in a small casting foundry in upstate New York. Its precision investment casts in a special grade of corrosion-resistant stainless steel and then tempered and hardened to give it extra strength.
The tool includes a Phillips head, a flat head, 5 different hex sizes, and a Torx head. Reductivist is about doing more with less, and the company's manifesto is minimal but powerful. For instance, no plastic. This guy is stainless steel and is virtually indestructible, and it still weighs just an ounce. No fashion or style. While it looks really cool on a keychain, Reductivist cares most about function. Ringtool is TSA approved and it has a lifetime warranty. And best of all, you can even crack a beer with it. But whether it's beers or repairs, it's as easy to use as it looks. And one last one, no luxury. Once you have this multi-tool, it will feel much more like a necessity.
Every second is an opportunity to create, to improve, to seize the moment. Since every second counts, we designed the world's first ever multi-tool timepiece, the Tread Tempo. With 30 hard-working tools on your wrist, it's flight-friendly, made to go everywhere you do. Tough enough to keep ticking at the deepest depths and highest peaks, because when every second counts, you only have time to worry about getting the job done, so you can get to the next item on your list.
No, this is a device. It's called the Stinger. If you're ever in an accident, your seatbelt, you can't take it off for whatever reason, come undone. You need to cut it quickly. It goes right across.
And that's
boom,
pretty
now
impressive.
You're out, right? Your car is off the road. You're in water. Your car is sinking or whatnot, or you need to bust a window. It's hard to break car glass.
Yeah.
Unless you have one of these. Super easy, and bam. It's
Wow.
that quickly. This is what I love about this device. You've got USB ports waiting there for you to charge your phone.
Exactly.
So this will always stay within your reach. And in the event you need something, it's going to be held within that spot. You always know where to grab to get it.
Nope. You know what? Let me see if I can find the level.
Most lightweight household jobs don't require a full chest of tools to accomplish.
I'm gonna go check the basement! Whoa, 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 whoa! Honey, did you want those Precious Moments figurines? They're all broken. No, now they're all broken. Oh, I found it! It was in the tool chest closet. Boy, is my face red. And my toe's broken.
So leave the toolbox on the shelf and reach for the Kelvin 23 Urban Multi-Tool. The compact cast aluminum frame houses loads of handy functions, including a 6-foot measuring tape, a screwdriver with 16 common Phillips, flathead, and hex bits, a surprisingly handy hammer, and a bubble level for getting that picture frame perfectly straight. It's chock full of gadgets, and the Kelvin is more than just the sum of its parts. The snap-action screwdriver locks in at 180 and 90 degrees to fit the right space, while an LED light shines to help you see. And a magnet on the driver's shaft holds your extra screws. The Kelvin 23 is the only tool you need to get any lightweight project done, whether it's hanging a picture, assembling furniture, or putting up shelves. Turn your junk drawer into a toolbox with the Kelvin 23 Household Multi-Tool. Buy it now at vat19.com.
vat19.com.
If you're looking for more awesome household tools, check out our videos for the paint retouching pen and Joe's sticky stuff. It's tape. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on hearing about other cool tools we sell.
Since the dawn of time, we've had to settle for a messy paintbrush and paint can. The paint pen is the mess-free touch-up tool that you can use on any painted surface. Just fill with any paint and goodbye scrapes. Patch spot in your dining room? Watch it disappear with the stroke of the paint pen. The paint pen gets to hard-to-reach places and covers scratches in seconds. The controlled brush tip makes touch-ups blend right in. No more drips. The airtight reservoir keeps your paint fresh for years. This means you can use your paint pen for dozens of touch-ups. Receive this 10-piece set, plus we'll also include this handy all-in-one touch-up kit with hole filler, spreader, and sanding block. With your paint pens and touch-up kit, you'll never need to bring out that old can of paint and messy brush again.